Imagine you move into a new apartment and realize that the walls are dirty. Or you buy a jacket, and when you get home, you notice that the sleeve is torn. Or maybe your car, which was just repaired last week, is already making a strange noise. These are everyday situations where people feel disappointed and want to take action. Knowing how to describe these problems clearly is important. It helps you communicate with store employees, repair workers, and customer service agents. It also helps you stay polite while asking for your rights. Let's talk about some key vocabulary words we learned in this lesson. Filthy. This word means extremely dirty. For example, the walls in the apartment were filthy. This is not just a little dirty. It means they were very, very dirty, probably stained and unpleasant to see. Torn. This word describes something that has been ripped or damaged. For instance, when you say, "The sleeve of my jacket is torn," it means there is a cut or a rip in the material. Strange noise. When your car makes a strange noise, it means you hear a sound that is not normal. It could mean something is wrong with the engine, and you should get it checked. Warranty. A warranty is a promise from the seller or the manufacturer that they will fix or replace a product if it breaks within a certain period. For example, when you buy a computer and it crashes, you can use your warranty to get it repaired for free. A refund means getting your money back after returning a faulty or unwanted product. For instance, if the jacket is torn, you might say, "I would like a refund."